This is hard work. This is a 9 to 5 job. Just that I'm not getting paid yet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lucia M, and if you're new in this channel, please don't leave here without subscribing. Leave the comment down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. Like, comment, enjoy. As you can see by the title down below, we are doing a Shein haul.
Bombastic side eye.
A Shein haul. Osalayo, ngikhombisa the clothes that I bought from Shein. So we're gonna try them together, and I'm already sad because I'm seeing this watch and it's not what I expected. But we're gonna start fitting the clothes, and I also bought some shoes. So I'm gonna show you during the video. As I'm morning, first one that we're trying is how okay, it's fine. The first one we're trying is this top. So ngine blue that I want to wear with this. I've seen it on Instagram and Pinterest. It's kind of good. So I was like, you know what, why not? This is size medium. And guys, into ne eating. Ngibona sengazathi, I'm so disappointed now. Ngibona sengazathi angeke ngineli la, but let's try. Okay, it fits me. It fits me, you see. I'm so happy. So guys, I'm not gonna take off these things because oh my god, this is a tight pants, and then this top so our second outfit is this dress. I'm kind of sad because I've seen this dress somewhere already, but it's fine. I don't like the texture. And guys, you see the texture? I can write on it. I can literally write on it, but it's fine. I'm happy with the color. I'm just not happy. Okay, let's try it on. Angiliboni ngaphambili nengemove. Hey. I think ngaphambili leli. Yeah. Yeah, I think ngaphambili leli. Guys, I am obsessed. And then I'm gonna pair them with some pair of heels. But I'm ready. Hey. Oh, this one is I've seen. Ooh, function. I wonder what I have. This will check out how I wear this dress. But I've seen it like this. And guys, you cannot believe it. When I walk, nothing will cover the carpet. Okay, but means you guys cannot believe Uzi. I wanted to take a medium for this dress, but yeah, I ended up taking a large. So this is large. I'm so happy. I love my dress. We have a second dress. Yeah, it's a second dress. I love bright colors. And that's why I love. Yabona ke le ngubo le eblue eseqaleni ebengazi ukuthi igqoka kanjani. I would have loved it if nayo ibi le texture le. Ngazi noma niyabona yini guys, ngiyabona. And obona umkhaba awudle. Oh, obona ibhega asiyele boyfriend yakhe lengamthandi. Hey, Okay, let's try this one on. Guys, okay. Uphefumula ngathi ngiyahluleka kancane. But I love her. Way too. We're making the entrance, darling. Okay, but yeah, to be honest, I really love the dress. Like, I love it. This one is a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. And then Missy Kawebina at 100 over 10 in proper fraction. I need to know kids intimate. This is the third. Oh, guys, and this is my mother's dress. I hope it's gonna fit her. To be honest, I hope. But I'm trying to check if it's a see-through. I know it's not. I think this is large. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is my mother's dress. And if she doesn't like it, angazi. Because I want to maybe if we no. Let's just pray it's gonna fit her. Yeah. And then I hope they don't see this video. This dress is also from my little sister. As I hate on this section, but it's fine. This dress is from my little sister. Nuts. Yeah. I think it will fit her. I'm kidding, it's gonna fit her. Ta-da! Alright. Do you notice? I jump this. I jump this now. Oh my god, I'm kidding. As a jump piece, and it's not even a dupe. But I love the shoes. Let me put them on. Guys, I can convince inyawo zami. Onenkinga neinyawo zami, ngicela ngikhokhele imali ngiyokwenza pedicure. Okay. And then I bought this watch, and then this one you put what's that, toothpaste, but you put toothbrush and you put it it's for using a shower more toothpaste the toothbrush, and then you close it. And then this watch, let me give you guys a closer look of the watch. Can you guys see it? But I love it. And yeah, I love black. And then this one was my favorite. This one is what I was looking forward to because it's giving luxury. But I guess it's we work on a budget, so it's giving luxury on a budget. Guys, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm a bling bling. I'm wearing a fake diamond or what? It's real. And then in you can dip with this watch. It's this thing. You know, you wear your watch and then goes with this beautiful bracelets. You see? You see? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people. This is my favorite purchase. And if you follow me on Instagram at nosihle_mgo, I've done an unboxing for this bag. And child, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Obsessed. I'm still wearing my shoes. I didn't take them off. I'm obsessed with them. Guys, these shoes, I'm obsessed with them. Yay! I hope they fit me. I hope they do. Okay, let me put them on and see how they fit me. I have my shoes on. I love this one. But let me wear it for you guys. I love the dress, but I don't love how it sits on my body. Ngithe obone gwini alile. You see? Ngithandi la. Angazi noma ngazabe lami kanjani. But I just don't like it there. Then other than that, I am tired. I don't know if you can see my face. I'm just tired now. I'm so tired. So thank you for tuning in. I need to grab some water and I need to sit down and pray for a bit because I've been busy dancing behind the scenes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you stay tuned for more Shein Haul and for more story times. If you haven't watched how I got in bed with 2 baby mamas, please make sure that you watch the video. Bye guys. I love you so much guys. Hooray!